Good morning, children. Very good
Good
morning.
morning, teacher.
I hope all you are fine in this rainy morning. Yes, it is raining everywhere.
Yes.
Good morning, everyone. I hope all you are fine. Yes. So, shall we start our lesson today?
Yes.
Okay. Today we are going to start with our lesson, science. Okay, or EVS we will say. Before starting our lesson, teacher want to ask some questions. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for some questions, children?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, children. Suppose I want to travel to my uncle's house. They are living far from here, Mumbai, far away from Mumbai. So, which thing I will use? Shall I use helicopter or shall I use any other thing? Which thing I will go to my uncle's place, children? What I will use? I'll use mobile or I'll use train. Children?
Train.
Okay, I will go by train. Okay. If I want to talk with my uncle, then which thing I will use? See here. Shall I use mobile or shall I use video game? Which thing I will use from the both of this one?
Mobile.
Yes, I will use mobile to talk with my uncle. Okay. Suppose you are getting bored at home. Okay. Suppose you are getting bored at your home. So, what we are playing? We are playing?
Video game.
Yes, we are playing video game. Yes. Sometimes you are playing games on your mobile also. Yes. So, what we can say? All these things which are made by electric or electronics. So, it is what we can say? It is a profit of our science. Okay. Science has gave us so many things which are making our life very much easy and convenient. Okay. Scientists, they made so much of progress. They are making a lot of progress. Okay. To make our life convenient. So many tools are there. So many gadgets are also there, which we are using to make our life easy. Suppose I want to wash my clothes. Then which machine I will use? Can you tell, children? Which machine we will use to wash the clothes? Is it fridge? Is it refrigerator? Is it washing machine? Which thing we will use to wash the clothes? Children, I didn't get anyone. Yes, you raise your hand so you can give the answers. I'm expecting answers. Okay, Rakhi. Washing machine. Okay, good answer. Okay, okay, washing machine. So many things are there which are, what we can say, which science gave us. It is mobile. It is, we can say, video game. Suppose I want to talk louder. I want to give speech. So which thing we will use? I will use microphone or mic. Yes. Suppose, yes, before some years, mobiles were very rare. Okay. So that time what we were using? We were using telephone. Yes. What we were using? We were using telephone to talk with the other parent. Okay. Other children, your uncle, your aunt, your brothers. To talk with them, we were using mobiles. Yes. So let us see some more gadgets which we are using to make our life very much convenient. Okay. So now teacher is going to share the screen. All of you, you will pay attention. Okay. Children, are you able to see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, good. So today we are going to learn, today we are going to take more information about information and communication technology. Okay. So here you can see, as you can see on the screen, so many scientific gadgets we are using. Why we are using these gadgets? To make our life easy. Okay. See here, video game, camera, headphones, then after mobile, and many other things are there. These tools are there which we are using in our daily life. Yes, headphones, mobile, camera. Okay, again, which is next one? Keyboard, means it is computer. Okay, watch is also there. These tools are there which science invented. Okay, so let us take some more information about the tools of media and communication. Okay, so let us take some more information. Now tell me children, which picture it is? Children?
Laptop. Computer.
Is it laptop or computer? Okay, correct. You can say here we can see the screen.
TV.
Yes, we can see laptop also in the same format. We will take information about TV. Yes, we are watching TV. We are watching different movies. Again, which thing we are watching? Different serials, different movies, cartoons. Yes, we are watching on the TV. Again, we can see so many new things. Okay. Again, which thing we can see? News channel. Can you tell me any one channel name which you like most? Yes, which thing you want to watch on the TV? Is it cartoon? Is it news? Is it songs? Or is it movies?
Yes.
Okay. So which is your favorite cartoon channel? Who will tell?
Chota Bheem.
Chota Bheem. Okay. So this is cartoon. So we want to watch, we like to watch cartoons on the TV. Okay. Our parent, they are watching news on the TV. Okay. We are watching movies also. We can see movies and many other things. So let us take some information. It is TV. What it is? This is a TV. And how it is made? It is a machine. And how it works? It works on electricity. Okay. When we will switch on the TV, that time only we can see movies, cartoons, or news, or any other channel. Okay. We use TV to watch cartoons and movie. Okay. So this is our first gadget in the communication. Okay. Nowadays, COVID-19 pandemic is there. Okay. So from where we are getting news? We are getting news from TV only. Yes. On the TV, we are watching news. So this is our first gadget. Okay. Television. Now, let us see other one. Can you tell me, children, what can you see on the screen? What it is?
Newspaper.
Yes, very good. Second way of communication or second gadget is newspaper. Daily we are reading newspaper. Okay. In the morning only we can get newspaper and we can read fresh news daily. Okay. So this is also second gadget of communication and information technology. Okay. Newspaper gives us more information about the world, about the business, about the sport, and about happenings around us. Yes. So newspaper is also a good way to get information. Okay. And how it is made? It is made by the paper. We can say it is newspaper. Okay. So this is our second gadget from where we can collect information. Now let us see other one. Which is the next one?
Radio.
Radio, correct. The next medium or next gadget is radio. Okay. Suppose in the different areas or in the villages where we cannot say, we cannot reach or electricity cannot be reached there. So we can send the message there by radio also. Means on the radio we can hear news, we can hear songs, or we can hear some sports news also. Okay. Means on the TV, what we can see? On the TV, we can watch also as well as we can listen also. Okay. But on the radio, we can listen only. Yes, we can listen different news, different songs also. Okay. So radio also is a medium for communication. Okay. So this is radio, and here you can see buttons. Some buttons are there which are useful to adjust frequency. Okay. Here at side you can see on and off button also. So this is radio. Okay. Next one. Next one. Good source.
Books.
Yes. Good source of communication or information is books. Books are our real friends. Books are our real friends because they are giving us knowledge every day. What they are giving us? They are giving us knowledge every day. We can read different story books, some news, or so many things we can learn from our books. Okay. So books is also a good source of information. Okay. Suppose I want some information about history. So what we can say? We cannot go in the past. So we are reading the books, which gives us more information. Yes. So books are also good source of information, and it is said that books are our real friends. Yes. Now we will see the next gadget. Next gadget is
Mobile phone.
yes. So many children, they love a lot. They are taking mobile from the parent. Okay. And mobile, we can see so many things we can do on our mobile. Okay. We can watch TV. We can talk with each other. Now what you are watching? You are watching to your teacher on the mobile phone only. Means we can attend online classes are also there. So we can attend online class on mobile phone. It is very much useful thing. Again, what is the use of mobile? Who will tell me? For talking purpose, we are using mobile. Okay. Then
we can join the class in a mobile. We can see a cartoon and movies.
Yes, correct.
And we can talk them. And we can talk the mobile.
Yes, we can talk with our friends also, as well as our relatives also. Again, one thing you forgot. We can take photo. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, we can take selfie. We can take photo on our mobile also. So it is also very much useful gadget. Nowadays, we can see Google, YouTube. Okay. So if we want some more information about anything, so simply what we are doing, we are going on the Google and we are asking this one. So there is ad in the TV. Okay. Google. Did you saw that ad about Google? बोलने से सब होगा. So we can use mobile phone to gather more information. Yes. So it is also a good communication source and it is good information source also. So this is our mobile phone. Okay. Let us see some more gadget. Telephone.
Telephone.
Yes, as teacher told you before, telephone is also good way of communication. Okay, we can talk with our relative. Suppose I am living here. We are living in Mumbai, and our relatives are living in America or any other places. So how we can talk them? How we can talk with them? We can talk with them with the help of telephone. Yes. Before some years, what we were doing? If we want to greet with our relatives, what we were doing? We were sending letters. What we were doing? We were sending letters to them. Okay. And in the medium of letters, we were greeting them. But nowadays, mobiles, telephones are available. So easily we can talk with our relatives. Yes. So it is also a good source of communication. Telephone. Now let us see some more information. The next good source of information is, what can you see on the computer? Sorry, on the screen?
Computer.
Yes.
Computer.
Yes, it is computer. It is also such a good source of information and communication technology. Okay. Children, at first you tell me, what do you like to do on the computer?
We are on the computer. We are seeing a movie. We can play game also.
Yes, very good. We can see different information. We can see different movies. You can play games also on the computer. Okay. So it is also very good source of information and communication technology. Here are some parts. Here are some parts of the computer. Computer we cannot say only monitor. We cannot say it is a computer. As before, see children. As before, what we did when teacher show you that one screen. So simply we can say it is monitor, okay, or it is computer. Computer, monitor, and TV, both they look same. Yes, monitor also and TV also, both of them they look same, but they are having different functions. Okay, when we start TV, so we cannot move it forward or we cannot stop it. Okay, but whenever we are watching movie on the computer, so we can pause it, we can rewind it. Yes, so easily we can see, we can do so many functions. Okay, so here what we can see, computer. Let us see some more information about the computer. Okay, computer is divided into main 4 parts. Which is the first one part which looks like TV? It is monitor. What it is? Monitor. On the monitor, we can see different movies, cartoons, we can play games. Second one unit is mouse. Second one part is mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Okay. Second part of the computer is mouse. Third one part is keyboard. Third one part is keyboard. We are using keyboard to type it. Okay. First one we saw monitor, which looks like TV. Second we saw mouse, which is very much small. Third one we saw keyboard. So keyboard has many keys. Okay. And the last one and more important is system unit or CPU. System unit or CPU. CPU is called as the brain of the computer. Which unit is called as the brain of the computer? CPU. Okay. If teacher will ask you the question, which is the brain of the computer, what answer will you give? CPU. Okay. So it is so good source of information. The next one gadget we will see. Next one gadget is, yes children, which is
laptop. Laptop.
yes, correct. It is a laptop. Okay, correct answer. Here is the laptop. This computer has, laptop also has. But what is the good thing about laptop? What is the difference between computer and laptop? Computer we cannot carry. Yes, computer. If I want to go to school, if I want to go to office, so I cannot carry the whole computer, CPU, mouse, keyboard with it. It is not easy to carry. But laptop is the easiest way. We can carry it everywhere. Yes, in the offices also we can carry on our back or in our hands. Okay, so that is the, what we can say, it is the good thing about laptop. Let us see. Next one is iPad. Next one gadget is iPad. What we can say, what we can say about iPad? iPad is also looks like the mobile. Okay, iPad also looks like the mobile. Then what is the difference between iPad and mobile? iPad has different operating system and mobile has different operating systems. Okay, so we can play online games. We can see online TV on the iPad. It is also a good source of information. It is also very much good source of information. Okay, so now what we can say, so many media and technology we can see. So many information and technologies we are using in daily life. Suppose I want to cross the road. Nowadays we can see so many accidents are happening. Yes. So suppose I want to cross the road. So what should we follow? We should follow traffic rules.
We should follow signal light.
Yes, traffic signal and traffic lights we should follow to avoid
traffic signal light.
Yes, to avoid accidents and all. See here, here is the picture of traffic signal. So it is also what we can say, informative source or good source of information. Suppose to avoid accidents or to make our traveling very much convenient, traffic signals are used. Yes, and it indicated by different colors. So generally we are using 3 colors to show the traffic signal. First one color is, tell me children.
Red.
Second,
Green.
Yes.
Yellow. Green.
Yellow and green. Very good. We are using these 3 colors to show traffic rules. What does the red color indicate?
Red color says stop.
Yes, red indicates to stop. Means whenever we are traveling, so when we see red color, we want to stop. Then after, what does the yellow color indicate?
Yellow color says get ready.
Then wait for 1 minute. Yes. What is the, hello? Are you able to hear me, children?
Yes.
Okay. Yellow color indicates we have to wait or get ready. Okay. And the next one, third one is
green color says go.
Yes, green
color is go.
Yes, green color indicates go. Very good. So these are the 3 ways. Yes, red color says stop, yellow color says wait, and green color says go. Okay. If we will follow the traffic rules, what will happen? We can travel nicely and by convenience. Yes. So these are the ways of source and information. Okay. Now In this way, what we did? We saw some things, okay? Some gadgets which are useful to make our life very much easy and convenient. We saw TV, we saw radio, mobile, iPad, telephone, computer, and laptop. Okay, all these things are invented by scientists. Yes, all these things are invented by scientists, which makes our life very much easy. Now, children, now did you heard about this one? I think, did you understood all the gadgets, children?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So now it's a quiz time. Teacher will ask some questions to you. You have to give the answers. Okay. Are you ready, children, to give answers?
Yes.
Okay. The first question we will see. See here. Guess the computer part. Look at the pictures carefully and try to answer it. There is one part of the computer which has these two pictures. One is key and next one is, I think it is board. Okay. So which part of the computer can be prepared?
Keyboard. Keyboard. Keyboard.
Keyboard. First one is key, second one is board. So which part of the computer is prepared? Keyboard. Very good answer, student. Correct answer. Yes. Now, shall we go on our next question? Yes. Now, guess the computer part. This is the next computer part. Which?
Mouse.
Yes, it is mouse. Very good. Next one part of the computer is mouse. Correct answer. Okay. Now, we will go on our next question. What is the brain of the computer? Now, here three things are given. CPU, joystick, and monitor. So, which part of the computer is called as the brain?
CPU.
Oh, very good. CPU. CPU is the correct answer. CPU is called as the brain of the computer. Very nice.
CPU.
Yes, the answer is CPU. And the long form is of CPU is Central Processing Unit. What is the long form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. Okay. Now,
Central
Processing Unit.
Unit.
Okay, very good. It is long form of CPU. Very good answer, children. Now, here are some parts of the computer. So, what you will do? You will tell me by the numbers. Now, here, each and everywhere, 3 images are given. How many images are given? 3 images. And we have to circle
3.
correct part. So, which is the monitor? First one, second one, or third one? Which is the monitor?
First one.
Yes, first one is the monitor. So, teacher circled it. Now, second one is CPU. Which is second one? First one, second one, or
third one.
third one. Yes, correct. First one are speakers, second one is printer, and third one is CPU. Very good. Now, third one. Which is the
keyboard? Keyboard.
Which is the keyboard? First one, second one, or third one?
First one.
Yes, first one is keyboard. Very nice. Correct answer. And the last one, last part is mouse. So, on
one.
Yes, the mouse is on second one. Very good. So, in this way, what we can say, you learn parts of the computers also. Very good, children. Okay. In this way, we learn so many new gadgets. We learn about the gadgets of media and technology.